Although basic allergen awareness for food businesses is straightforward, the practicalities of managing allergen control, with risk assessments, validation of allergen cleans, interpretation of test results, and decisions to make on precautionary allergen labeling can become complex. This expert-led training provides a deep dive into the topic of allergen management. Delegates will gain insights into allergens as food safety hazards within HACCP-based food safety management systems, how they are tested for, and how they can be managed in food manufacturing and retail. Our subject matter experts will provide a deep dive into food allergen testing. We will discuss food allergies and intolerances, UK legislation, vital thresholds, food allergen and precautionary labeling, and the potential consequences both for consumers and for food business operators if allergens are not managed successfully. Join our live online full-day training to extend and deepen your expertise in good practices in allergen management, selection of test methods and interpretation of results, best practice for cleaning validations, advanced level food safety management. Delegates will have the opportunity to ask questions and build on their food safety management expertise. The course, ideal for food industry professionals with responsibility for safe management of allergens or for managing allergen testing program. It is also relevant for auditors and others who want to update or refresh their knowledge.